Hi, I'm Caro from The Energy Experts. If I were to position on one roof facing due north 4 solar power systems, a premium system, a high quality system, a mid-range and an entry-level 5 kilowatt system, you'd find the amount of electricity that each produces varies significantly. And you'll notice this especially on low light days or on really hot days when the performance of cheap solar power systems falls right over. Let's just say that you chose to install a high quality 5 kilowatt system. You can potentially save around $5.85 a day or around $2,100 per year. If this high quality system cost you $5,000 to buy, this means it's going to take around 2.5 years for it to pay for itself. Of course, you can choose to pay less for an inferior quality system, but what's interesting is that the time it takes for you to recoup your investment isn't that much faster than with a high quality system. This is because high quality systems produce more power. More power produced means more money saved. You'll also find with high quality systems, you're far less likely to need to replace failed or faulty components in the next 15 to 25 years. The way I see it, buying poor quality components is a false economy. As someone once said, a poor man always pays twice. Make sure you don't pay twice by buying good quality components to start with. This will not only save you money, but it will prevent a whole lot of cheap stuff from ending up in landfill. If you want to know which brands of panels and inverters are worth considering, click on the link below. This will take you to a page on our website that outlines the panels, inverters and batteries that are the most efficient and durable, and those that come with the longest warranties.